Jump in January, hop up high, don't delay. Jump around and shout hooray. Flap in February, arms like wings go flap, flap, flap. Fly like a bird, flap, tap, tap. March in March, lift your knees and march in place with a big smile on your face. April arms, stretch them wide up to the sky. Wave your arms and reach up high. Move in May. Twist, turn and dance around. May is fun, don't touch the ground. Let's jiggle in June. Shake your hands, your hips, your knees. Jiggle and wiggle with the breeze. It's joyful July. Clap your hands, laugh, ha ha ho. Joyful July, let laughter flow. Time for Animal August. Crawl like a tiger, roar with might. Stomp like an elephant, what a sight. Okay now, stretch in September. Reach up tall, then touch your toes. Stretch it out and let the energy flow. Open up in October. Open your arms, spin around. Turn like leaves that touch the ground. November, time to put our nose to work. Breathe in deep, smell the air. Exhale slowly, no rush, take care. Yay! Let's dance in December. Dance and twirl with holiday cheer. Celebrate the end of year. 12 moves for 12 months. Now we're done. Like, share, and subscribe for the learning fun!